only 17,704 miles. This Chevrolet Silverado 2500 SWB, 4WD, Cruise CAB delivers a gas ethanol V8 6.0L/366 engine powering this automatic transmission. Remote keyless entry, windows, power with driver express up and down and express down on all other windows, wheelhouse liners, rear, deleted with, ZW9, pickup box delete. This Chevrolet Silverado 2500 SWB, 4WD, Cruise CAB features the following options: visors, driver and front passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, transmission, 6-speed automatic, heavy-duty, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow-haul mode. Includes cruise-grade braking and powertrain-grade braking, requires L96, Vortec 6.0L V8 SFI engine or LC8, 6.0L V8 SFI Gaseous engine. Transfer case, electronic shift with rotary dial controls, requires 4WD models. Trailer brake controller, integrated, tires, LT265/70 R18E all-season, blackwall, tire pressure monitoring system, does not apply to spare tire. Tire carrier lock keep cylinder lock that utilizes same key as ignition and door, not included when ZW9, pickup box delete or 9J4, rear bumper delete is ordered. Theft-deterrent system, unauthorized entry, tailgate, locking, utilizes same key as ignition and door, deleted with ZW9, pickup box delete. Tailgate, easy lift and lower, deleted with ZW9, pickup box delete. Stop by today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, BC 593L3 can get you a tried and true Silverado 2500 SWB, 4WD, Cruise CAB today.